So we do a quick demonstration, not even a quick one, a super special one, and this goes deep into a material from Hausys. So this is a new film, LD92ST. It's a cast vinyl, but it has also a max durability protection film on. So, and this protection film, this lamination, is TPU based. So TPU is what we know from the paint protection film. So super durable, super long least. So this is actually something what will stay longer than forever on the car. So we did a product video and promotion video. You see this right here. And we actually drive also with this car to Amsterdam to the FESPA show. And Chimas was working first time with this material. So this is a brand new material, what works a little bit different than the regular ones. So regular one material is a PVC film and also with a PVC laminate on top. Okay. It's a combination from the film itself with the lamination on top. So you never should combine, for example, like a cast film with a colored lamination on top, of course, then it will shrink in one way or then in the other way. It's not so good. So, but what we have here is TPU-based film. So it means it's actually stronger, and the cast film, what's under, would follow the guideline from the TPU film. So in this way, you can work different with the material. So stretch it in one way, but also shrink it in the other way or melt it down. So we did also some product reviews of work with this regular, the LD92ST for a long time. So what we have here is a glue with some micro channels behind. So it's really easy to work with and also reposition. Okay, this is what we all know. It's pretty, let's say, in a regular way. So we can slide this over, you can reposition, we can move it around, good quality. It feels really durable. If you can, I mean, please, you look so nice. You can come closer pretty quickly. And you can test it and try it. Even, just put this down, hold one side. And now we try to stretch it and we try to break it, okay? So really, okay, yeah. Perfect. Okay, you're a strong man, I was sick. Okay, it's not really breaking because you have the TPU film at the top, so it's a really durable film. It will shrink back if we heat this up also. So there, the guideline is following from the PVC film. Okay, if we heat this, it goes back. I will show you now a different way how to work with the stuff. Because what I find out is the material, so let's say it's always the stronger material, the other material is following. Okay? So I get my mirror here, and everybody is struggling with mirrors, wrapping mirrors. Huh? You have fun with mirrors? You have fun wrapping mirrors? Yeah? Like, okay, how far you need to stretch it? So you really need to stretch it, or put it on, stretch it around, or you need to heat it up before, put it on and shrink it back, right? This would be the regular thing. Okay, I will show you something different now. Because I hold only the mirror in my hand. It would be not really working if I hold it in my hand by my own now and wrap it with the film, or who's with me? You with me? Like, yeah, it's difficult, or wrap it, have this in one hand, have the film in the other hand, and try to wrap the mirror. Or? So, but what I do, and I directly also use our new logo here, I just place the film here on the top and lay this around. Okay, you see here a lot of wrinkles. Fine. What we regularly need to do is stretch it around, huh? Heat it up, stretch it around. I know that the TPU has a different temperature when it starts melting. We don't want to really heat up the TPU film, even if we do a paint protection film on, we don't want to overheat it, heat it up over, I need to say it in Celsius, I'm too stupid for the Fahrenheit, so about 80 degrees Celsius is like, okay, at maximum. If you go one higher, it's bad, so maybe it breaks away. So this means it smelts faster than the other one. So if I just lay this down now and heat it up. So this is a reaction also with the glue, what I have. I hold it here and I just go over and let the material sit. It's everything what I do till I see too much wrinkles here. You see, okay, there the wrinkles are coming, but I also go over on this place, okay, and let it a little bit cool down. Why let it cool down? Because I want to see your reactions. You still have question marks in there. You're like, oh, it will not work. Okay, good. Now it's cooled down. I will pick it up, put it back, lift it a little bit so you see the material and the glue, how it's working. Hold it here. Good. And then I continue again with the wrinkles. So hold this here and go over to the corner. Okay. And I have to set the heat gun pretty of the highest temperature. So it would not burn by the way. So I lift it up again and place it again in a new way. Cool. And go back again. Relax it, or let's say sit it down, let it shrink down. So there's a little bit, let's say, transformation in the letters right now. Yes, we have a 3D object. It cannot stay flat on the end. But actually here we have some wrinkles. I pick it up and lay it down and with the soft film. And I will still go to the relaxed corner here. Pick it up, go back here. This is the corner. Have it here. So then I work the half of the mirror actually on. Okay, now I need to go down. I have still a few wrinkles inside here, but this film has air channels, so okay, press the air channels out. If not, I can also remove it. But now you have a crazy, let's say, corner down here. I'm curious if I can do it without a stand and a handle or something like this. Okay, get to the point here. Hold it in this way, and now this is exactly the corner. And I go over with the heat, also from the top. To the bottom. And when I have it relaxed, you see it lays down super easy. Let it cool down. And now, you never want to stretch it regularly in the way where the wrinkles are. Never. Because PVC film, if you stretch it this way, will pop up back in this way. Okay, but I know I can actually, let's say, really pick it up, set it down, stretch it a little bit here, because when I heat this here, I melt the material again on the corner, and I will have no tension in. So how I can control it is with the temperature on the corner, that the film would not pop back up. Okay? You have this here, turn over. Now we have a super crazy, like say, crazy object. It's a mirror and I only hold it in my hand. Okay, if you have now, for example, a hood, what we have down here, with some corners around, you don't even need to stretch it, you only need to heat it around. Okay? We lay the film down, we heat it around. And I know Sergey will be not happy right now if I would do this, but what should I do? I would jump quickly down to the hood, to a corner on the side. We'll lay the film there, and you see how we lay it down even with a regular curve. So what I want to show with the things is that if we have new material on the market, if we have new things, so there's such a great solutions behind, we only need to understand what we can do with the thing. Yes, it's great that there's a cool glue behind. Yes, it's great, it's removable. We know it's removable, a lot of material. Great, what can I do different? Lay down which material what I have here is a PVC and a TPU film. So let's grab this here. We go down to this corner. I have a lot of wrinkles or a few wrinkles on the top here. Okay. I lift the material, go over and start by heating it up and only laying it down. I have a recessed area here what I need to feed in or make a bridge, put it over, heat it up, feed it in. Why? So just pick it up, I hold it easy in my hand, I only go over with my heat gun and I lay the film down. So my heat gun is the squeegee. I think this is something, and what do you think about this? What was your reaction right now? Huh? So the material and my magic hands, by the way. Yeah. So for sure it's the material. This is what we teach with the Rep Institute. We go really into the material. We don't teach like a regular way, or we don't say, okay, this is the way it was done for the last 20 years and it works. Yes. What we want to show is new things coming up, and we want to provide you with this information because let's say I have pretty fun with the things to play around and go really deep with the material. So now the material is cold and I can go over and can squeegee out. Even if I wanna, I can pick it back up and wrap it in this way down. You see this? So the glue will work in this way. The whole idea behind this, that sometimes you work with a lot of tension in the material, you work with a lot of stretching, and to the inside, I can have tension from the inside, but not from the outside as well. If you work with the things and going down here, and maybe you have a wrinkle here, you always try to heat it up and stretch it down a little bit. It's like, yeah, we are human. We do some stupid things all the time, right? But you don't need to heat it and stretch it down even if the wrinkles are facing to you. So you just pick it up, yeah, go to the down where the wrinkles are starting, and now I set my heat. And what I will do right now, I'm not starting with the heat from the front here, I'm starting with the heat from my hand. Of course, this wrinkle is pointing to my hand, to my finger. I will start from the action point front to the back. So I have this here, hold it on my hand, heat here from the hand, and when I go to the corner where the wrinkles actually are starting, okay, what happens? They're gone. I don't need to stretch, I just hold it. What I need to do is lay down the material, there's no tensioner, squeegee down, use the air channels, and here's a small wrinkle in, I just push it away, and also have this in a crazier area, thinking this stretch, how much stretch would be in if I work this out. This will lay down forever. The cool thing is the TPU on the top will also let the film stay forever on the car because it's really durable. If you get even some stone chips on, this will protect for some stone chips. So if you want to come closer, grab some material, try it around on this hood. I have some pieces here because I see even from the distance you will not believe what happened right now. but you can try it by yourself and it will really work. So thank you for now that you stayed with me for this demonstrations, and next demonstration tomorrow morning. That's it. Thank you.